Getting organized is a process that never truly ends. There are always organizing systems that need to be changed as they no longer fit your lifestyle or are too time-consuming to manage, no matter how many trips to the container store you make. We rounded up some of our favorite organizing ideas so your pursuit of a tidy and put-together home can continue to evolve right alongside your style. Whether your junk drawer needs an annual overhaul or you're looking for new tactics to get your pantry in tip-top shape for the season ahead, we rounded up some of our favorite organizing ideas so your pursuit of a tidy and put-together home can continue to evolve right alongside your style. So let's get started. 20. Hook up with better hangers. Why are closets, which are allegedly built for storage, some of the messiest living spaces? Most of the time, it's the age-old problem of not making the best use of available space. Good hangers, according to Jamie and Philip Ford, can be the secret to a more orderly wardrobe. They claim that streamlining your hangers can quickly transform your area. Using matching hangers in a coat closet or your main closet will not only make your space seem lovely, but the slender shape will allow you to accommodate more on each hanging rod without feeling congested. 19. Embrace the not-so-lazy Susan. Although they're known as lazy Susans, they're actually among the most useful organizational tools you may have in your home. We love using lazy Susans in the kitchen to organize spices, oils, and vinegar, the Hordes remark. Lazy Susans provide simple access, and the revolving turntable makes finding a certain spice or liquid during cooking a breeze. 18. Smart about bins. Most people think of bins when they think of organizing, but the sort of containers you use can have a big impact on how well your storage works. Bins are the ultimate product that can be utilized wherever in the home. The Hordes add, "We love using bins on shelving to act as pseudo-drawers. However, not every bin is created equal. Clear bins are king in the pantry because they allow you to see exactly what you have and how much you have at a glance. Non-transparent bins can save you money in areas where establishing a peaceful, ordered environment is important, such as a linen closet. In those places, it's all about grouping bedding or towels together, and the less you see when you open the closet door, the better. 17. Don't forget the door. Doors are one of the most underappreciated aspects of any business plan. When organizing a closet, employ over-the-door systems to maximize space and give each item its own location. You don't have access to a full-size closet? Using adhesive bins, you may still get some extra storage out of your cabinet doors. The Hordes write, adhesive bins are the ideal space-saving tip in your kitchen or bathroom. Store kitchen cleaning products in them inside the cupboards under the sink, or beauty materials and toiletries in the bathroom. 16. Create a cubby system. Some things in life are simply not meant to be kept in cupboards, and that's perfectly fine. Take a trip back in time to when cubbies were the go-to storage solution in kindergarten. We adore the small cubbies in this laundry room, which nicely nestle woven baskets for those miscellaneous items that don't fit on a shelf, such as dryer balls. A little hanging bar above the sink for drip-drying delicates is another brilliant addition to this laundry layout. 15. Be an open and closed case. A well-organized home contains a mix of closed and open storage options, and striking that balance is crucial. While the desire to display your prized possessions is strong, no amount of open shelves will create a calming and coherent atmosphere unless you also have a place to store the less appealing items. This living room achieves the ideal balance. Small open shelves flanking the TV reveal beloved objects, while a closed built-in media cabinet conceals. 14. Make your walls work harder. We're living in our home offices these days, Arabia adds. And since the home is no longer simply a home, but also an office, a gym, a cocktail bar, and more, making every inch count is more crucial than ever. Traditional storage solutions take up a lot of space in your floor plan. However, wall-mounted storage options take up far less. Take a cue from your neighborhood nail salon or coffee shop and explore where wall-mounted storage might help you declutter your home. 13. Achieve liftoff. A word of caution, the ground is not your friend. While it's all too tempting to hunt for storage space on an open floor, the truth is that a clean floor is the foundation for organized pleasure. When the floor is completely free, not only is it easier to vacuum or sweep, but it's also much easier to resist stashing just one more thing in the corner. 12. Think vertically. You need to think vertically across shelves rather than horizontally to make the most of every inch of your organizing space. To get more capacity out of your storage, Arabia recommends building levels. Adding tiers to your cabinets can help boost visibility and maximize the space on each shelf, she explains. This entails using products such as spice risers and other small storage options, as well as looking for stackable storage solutions. 11. Become a basket person. Baskets are certainly the refuge for every want-to-be-organized homeowner, and we can't say enough excellent things about them. While it may appear at first to look at any large container as an invitation to indulge in your worst habits and stash objects to create the illusion of a clean sweep, we've discovered that a few strategically placed baskets have the opposite effect. 10. Get lofted. We understand that your room is limited at times, and no amount of drawer dividers will help you address your space problems. In that situation, adding a lofted area to a portion of the house is a fantastic idea. For a Pacific Northwest vibe, this sleek one takes inspiration from antique wood ceiling beams. It's the perfect place to store baggage, seasonal decorations, in good boxes of course, and anything else that doesn't get a lot of usage on a regular basis. 9. Introduce some drawers. Adding a console table or other landing pad surface to your foyer isn't a new idea. In fact, it's one of our tried and true clutter-busting tactics. Most console tables, on the other hand, only have 1 or 2 slender drawers, so we like the concept of employing a dresser instead. The deep drawers not only provide plenty of space for stowing your items out of sight, but their sections will also help you stay organized. 8. Get the hang of it. Kitchen hanging rails are a hot trend, and it's not only because their painted metal finishes are the right blend of modern farmhouse and rustic charm. These handy bars are simple to set up and use, and they keep your heavy-duty equipment off the counter and easily accessible. It's essentially a win-win situation. 7. Ladder up. Cabinets that reach all the way to the ceiling are not available in every kitchen. A library-style ladder can be a beautiful and useful solution to add some much-needed real estate to those with storage that stops short. 6. Give shelving the VIP window treatment. Kitchen design is frequently a delicate balancing act of windows and storage. When there are too many cabinets, the area gets dark and claustrophobic due to a lack of light. If you have too many windows, you'll run out of storage space. Open shelves suspended over windows is a unique solution that we haven't seen before. 5. Float your dryer. Those dryers that stack? There's no requirement that they have to be stacked with the appropriate washer. Rather, put your dryer on its own dedicated compartment to maximize the space beneath it. Unloading your freshly fluffed towels is as simple as tucking a rolling canvas laundry cart underneath. 4. Add some rec room. Take a cue from the locker room of your high school team or the neighborhood batting cages. A mud room with personalized lockers for each family member can help keep everyone's belongings within easy reach, while semi-transparent mesh doors keep the space from feeling cluttered. 3. Befriend hanging baskets. You know those store-bought hanging fruit baskets? They have a secret skill that allows them to organize little objects almost any place. This boho-style woven choice is ideal for corralling K-cups, sugar packets, and other coffee-related items in the kitchen's coffee corner. 2. Make your dog's dinner disappear. The basic truth is that Spot does not require his bowl on a continuous basis. If your pet eats his food in a matter of minutes after it's been served, it's time to adjust your cabinets to perform a disappearing performance. Food and water dishes can be inserted into inset areas in a low drawer, which can then be pushed away when they're not in use. There are fewer things to trip over, and your kitchen floor has a cleaner appearance. 1. Turn dead space into a drinking den. The tight space beneath a stairwell can be quite a puzzle. It's been relegated to closet space or dark and filthy storage for far too long. It's time for a remix, with a heavy emphasis on the word mix. This once overlooked corner of the house can be transformed into the center of a cocktail hour by adding some shelving and some surface space. For maximum aesthetic impact, we appreciate how the shelving here matches the design of the stair treads. Punch. What do you think of this video? Let us know in the comments below. And if you like this video, then like, share, and comment, and press the bell icon for the latest updates.